This is an impossible trick, and in today's video I'm going to show how to do an impossible on a tech deck or fingerboard. For this trick, the board does a full 360 wrap around my back or middle finger, and while the name implies that it's impossible, it's definitely not the hardest trick, but at the same time it is not the easiest trick, and it does come with its own challenges, so let's get right into it. To start off with finger positioning, I like to have my back finger a little bit away from me on the tail, right behind the back bolt in the pocket, and the front finger near the center of the board but a little bit closer to me. This helps the back finger scoop and the front finger get out of the way. For this trick, the back finger does pretty much all of the work, and the front finger's job is just to get out of the way. And one of the most common issues that I see people trying to learn this trick have is not being able to lift the front finger. And instead of lifting it up, a lot of people tend to try and pull it in, and this will cause the board to get caught on your finger. So to avoid that, instead of pulling in, you want to actually just lift the finger up and then a little bit inwards if you can, kind of curl your finger in. That should give the board plenty of room to get around the front finger and wrap around the back finger. The other challenge with this trick is getting the right amount of pop. And it's not like a standard pop like an ollie where you just pop and then land back on the board. Instead, it's more of a pop and then a scooping motion with the back finger where it continues to go forward. And as long as you're able to get the board to pop up and get completely vertical and continue moving a little bit forward, it'll make the board wrap around your finger. If you're having trouble with the pop and scoop motion, another tip that I have is using just one finger. And this actually makes it a little bit more challenging than doing it with two fingers. However, it is a really good way to get the feel of the board wrapping around that back finger. This trick is also a little bit easier if you do it in a rolling motion rather than doing it standstill like this. But if you can do it just with the back finger standstill, at least gives you a good feeling for the board wrapping around the finger. And once you get it down, you can move on to doing it with both fingers and trying to get that front finger out of the way as well as wrapping the board. Once you get a good feeling for the trick, all it takes is a bit more practice to fine tune it so you can land nicely as well as get the board to wrap around the back finger nice and smooth. This trick can also be done off of the nose of the board, known as a Nollie impossible. That about wraps up this impossible tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below if it helped you or if you have any other questions, as well as if there's any other tricks that you'd like tutorials for in the future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button as well as subscribe and turn on notifications for my newest videos. And until next time, peace.